Good morning, dear students. I am teaching chapter 5. Name of the chapter 5 is the coal and petroleum. Name of the chapter 5 is the coal and petroleum. So, yesterday I taught you about the petroleum, origin of petroleum, and occurrence of petroleum. And now we will discuss about drilling of oil wells. Drilling of oil wells. What is the drilling? The prospective site of petroleum is located and mapped by geographical, geological, and seismic methods. With the help of giant rivets, a hole is drilled in the earth crust. Just like a screw, before that you have to hole in that particular area. Just like with the help of a giant ridge, a hole is drilled in the earth crust, and then when the hole reaches the rock cap, the natural gas comes out first. The natural gas comes out first with a great pressure. First, natural gas comes out with the great pressure, and when the pressure of gas subsides, petroleum starts flowing out due to pressure of natural gas. When the pressure falls further, the petroleum is pumped out by the electric motors. And it should be noted that many oil wells yield only gas, not petroleum. And thus, hundreds of oil wells are drilled in the prospective areas, but only some of them yield petroleum. Refining of petroleum. Refining of petroleum. The petroleum is refined by subjective the crude oil to the fractional distillation. Crude petroleum is heated to a temperature of 400 degrees Celsius or slightly above in a few days. The vapors of petroleum are fed into a tall fractionating column near its bottom. As the vapors rise up in the column, they lose heat and hence their temperature drops. Thus, fractionating column maintains itself at different temperatures, which decreases in magnitude in the upward direction. Due to this difference in temperature, the vapors with higher boiling points condenses first, then vapors with the lower boiling point rises up and condenses in different parts of fractionating column. You know that refining of petroleum is by the fractional distillation, and the vapors with the higher boiling points condenses first. You know that what is the condensation process. Then but the vapors with the lower boiling point rise up and condenses in different parts of fractionating column. And first, the vapors means gases which do not liquefy are taken out from the top of fractionating column, and in the fractional distillation of petroleum, the residual oil liquefies at 400 degree Celsius, fuel oil at 350 degree Celsius, 400 degree Celsius, and diesel oil at 250 degree Celsius to 350 degree Celsius, kerosene oil at 170 degree Celsius to 250 degree Celsius, and gasoline at 40 degree Celsius to 170 degree Celsius. And petroleum gas does not condense and is taken out from the top of the fractionating column, and all other fractions are removed from their respective outlets. Note: each fraction obtained during fractional distillation of petroleum is not a single hydrocarbon. It is not a single hydrocarbon, but the mixture of a number of hydrocarbons. These hydrocarbons differ in the number of carbon atoms present in their molecules. So this is all about the petroleum. This is all about the petroleum and origin of petroleum, occurrence of petroleum, drilling of oil wells, and refining of petroleum. So till here you will take revision.